So we're looking at question 20. Question 20 asks us to find the points of intersection between this parabola right here and this line right there. Okay, and the way you do that is, well, at any points of intersection, y is going to equal to y for both systems, and x is going to equal to x. So, in that spirit, we just let equation 1 equal equation 2. So that's 1 and 2. So essentially what that means is we can put minus x squared plus 5x plus 8, I just rewrite the first one, is equal to, at the point of intersection, is equal to 2x minus 10, and we solve for x. And the way we do that, we put everything on the same side, minus x squared plus 5x minus 2x, oops, let's just do that later, plus 8 minus 2x plus 10 is all equal to 0. So what do we do next? We have 5x minus 2x, we collect like terms. So this is all by itself, minus x squared plus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. Now, what does that mean? We can now get rid of this minus by multiplying both sides by -1. And how do we do that? We say minus, multiply both sides by -1. This becomes x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. And I could find the determinant, but it seems like I can factor this pretty easily because 18, 6 and 3 make 18, and minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 3. So it looks like I found two numbers that multiply to my negative 18 and add to negative 3. So I can factor it in the following way. I write x on both sides. Let's get rid of that. And that's equal to 0. And I say minus 6 on one side and positive 3 on the other. And I believe that's how you factor the following. Now, what does that mean? If this is times this is equal to 0, it means x plus 3 must equal 0, or x minus 6 must equal 0. So if that's the case, that means x equals minus 3, or x equals 6. Okay, so if that's true, we just sub in into one of our equations. And what I'll do is I'll just copy this equation right here, duplicate that, run it down. I just substitute x equals minus 3. So let's write it out. For x equal minus 3, y is equal to 2 times minus 3 minus 10. Well, then y is equal to minus 6 minus 10. Well, that's equal to minus 16. So I have one point of intersection at minus 3 minus 16. And I have another point of intersection at over here where x equals, I didn't write 6. So when for x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2 times 6 minus 10. And y is equal to 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2. So, or point of intersection is 6, 2. And that's your answer. Now, let's see if we can graph that. Let's open up Desmos. And let's go ahead and graph it. And the truth is I don't know how to make two things on the same screen. So we have y equals 2x minus 10. Y, where are you? Y equals 2x minus 10. And we we also have y equals minus x squared plus 5x plus 8. And I have a point of intersection at 6, 2. Is that one of my answers? It is. And I have a point of intersection at minus 3, minus 16. That's one of my answers. So you can always check your work on graphing software.